Welcome to the Spokane Valley. My name's Kirk Holding. I'm here with my partner Greg, and we've got Scott and Chris, team members, helping us today. Thank you. This video is brought to you by the Living in Spokane, North Idaho team. Today we've got a special treat. We are going to showcase a large rancher in the valley. But before we get down to business, I want to make sure if this is your first time to the channel, hit that like and subscribe button. Better yet, there's a Zoom link there. If you're looking to move to Spokane or North Idaho in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. But hit that Zoom link so we can kind of talk, set up a time to go face to face, and make a plan so that you can we can help you make that smooth move to Spokane or North Idaho. We are here in the Pineview Estates neighborhood today. Very exclusive neighborhood, not a lot of turnover. Don't see too many homes sell in this neighborhood. Some neighboring neighborhoods that kind of might help you get your bearings are Belterra, Bella Vista. Across the street we've got Elk Ridge Heights, also to kind of help you down in where we're at. One of the nice things about this house that we love is it's got a huge lot, and you can kind of see with the landscaping, a lot of natural landscape. This one sits on a 0.80 acre lot, so a lot of space, a lot of natural trees and rocks. I'll kind of show you some of the finish here. They've got rock walls, all accented with concrete curbing, all the grass, lots of natural plants as well. And of course, pine trees. We're here in the Northwest. This house here, also one thing we like, is got a lot of stonework here on the garage, all around the garages. You've got even on the pillars here and even in the front of the house, lots of stone accents that just complete this piece here. As far as size on this house, it's a big rancher, coming in at 5,582 square feet, and really proximate to everything. We've got Albertson shopping down the road, and then one other unique thing is the school system. This one's located in the Central Valley School District, and the high school, middle school, and elementary are all side by side. You got U-High, Horizon, and Chester Elementary all in one spot. So if you got kids going to multiple schools, you drop them all off one single shot, which is kind of nice. This house is built by Wolfcreek Construction, one of the premier builders here in Spokane and North Idaho. And if you're looking to build, again, our team is set to help you navigate that process and get you set up on a custom build package. We're going to go ahead and we're excited to show you the inside, and we're going to get to that right now. Okay, welcome inside. Again, this is a big rancher. It's one of the reasons we wanted to feature it. There's a lot of home for the money. This one's going to be on the market this week. It's listed at $1.15 million, and total square feet, 5,582 square feet. So main level, we've got just under 2,800 square feet. So the house feels big, and you're going to see it as we kind of walk through things here. But this one's built in 2008. Again, Wolfcreek Construction built home. And again, big lot that we'll show you here later in the video. But wanted to kind of start out here with the grand entry on this one. But as far as specs on this house, we've got 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. And then additional rooms, we've got a formal dining room, we've got an office, got an exercise room, and then several storage rooms that we're excited to show you too. Just lots of built-ins through this house. But right here to start, we are in the grand entry here, and you can kind of hopefully feel it just is open to everything. You got big vaulted ceilings here, and then you've got tile throughout in the main entry. Lots of nice light fixtures, lots of light coming in with windows and everything in this house. As I kind of want to show you over here, we've got formal dining set up here. I've seen some people not into the formal dining, and they've put French doors in and converted to an office. That might be an option as well for you. Over here we've got a home office setup, which seems like that's just gotten more important, especially with COVID. A lot of people were working from home. I'm a big home office guy, but as you can see, pretty big, and lots of cherry built-ins in here. For books and showcasing things, but nice office setup if you're a work from home type of person. As we go in here, we'll show you the living room. It's again got big vaulted ceilings with can lighting throughout. Gas fireplace. You can see the fireplace is full rock accents. Got a nice mantle, and definitely nice to offset or heat supplement during the winter having the gas fireplace. One in the basement as well. Got a couple bedrooms on this side of the house. We'll show you. For that, we got a half bath here over here. And again, tile finishes in all the bathrooms, granite tops. Didn't scrimp at all on quality in this house, you'll see. Craftsman style Santa Fe type doors. And as you come in, the bedrooms feel quite spacious, you know, tall ceilings here. You got trim on the cove ceilings and large base trim there as well. As we come in here, one of the things I like on this side of the house is the bathroom. You've got Jack and Jill type bathrooms, so dual sinks here set up. Again, the works for finishes, got nice tile work tops on these bathrooms, and then same going into the full tub here and toilet setup. But again, feels nice and open, and access on both sides of the bedroom here. This bedroom here, you got big windows, take advantage of the views out to the eastern part of the valley and looking out in nature too. Again, lots of light. I love these two windows up here that kind of bring the light into the house. You know, good feel with windows everywhere. But again, we got the big great room here, living room with the tall vaults. And can't say enough, you got built-ins everywhere. Corner built-ins here for the TV. Again, this is solid cherry wood here. And then wired for surround sound throughout the house. And same in the basement too as well. So we're gonna take you to the kitchen next, and we'll do that right now. Okay, we're here in the kitchen now, and as you can see, we've got a huge kitchen, granite tops. I love how they're just seamless and tie into each other with the full tile backsplash. Again, same thing in here. We got cherry wood solid cabinets throughout the kitchen. No shortage of cabinets. Got some wine storage here. Full stainless package. We've also got the kitchen double ovens. Got the Bosch cooktop stove there, and then I love the island with the separate water tap here for access there. So again, nice, accessible, functioning kitchen here to entertain guests, and also have a pantry here that's quite large, storing food and whatnot, and then of course LG stainless fridge on this one. You also like just small touches here, the undermount lighting here in all the cabinetry, and then you got nice pendant lighting throughout. Again, continuing that theme with light and bright in here. Just behind us here, we've got kitchen eating space, small dining room here, taking advantage of the views going to the East Valley here and into the trees and whatnot, and then of course access to the composite decks. And we're going to do some exterior shots here towards the end of the video for that. We're going to go ahead and want to show you the laundry room real quick before we hit the master. But large laundry room here, and again, tons of built-ins, solid wood cherry throughout. Plenty of room for washer and dryer, wash basin there. So big, huge mud room if you got kids that need to dust off before they come into the house. Take you into the master suite here. Quite large, got lots of open windows again, light coming in. Got nice cove ceilings in the master with can lighting. And of course, security system on this house as well, I wanted to mention. And as we come in here to the master bath, got two separate his and her double sink set up here for the master bath, and then you've got a full tile walk-in shower that you take advantage of here. It's huge, the master shower. Again, lots of tile and glass blocking up top, just to add to that fit and finish of this house. Again, nothing was scrimped on it here. As we get in into the walk-in closet, quite large, lots of room for everything you'd need in a walk-in closet, and again, a couple windows to bring in the light for the master walk-in closet. We're going to go ahead and show you the basement now, and show you the full basement. We'll get to that right now. Okay, we're going to show you the full daylight basement now. Again, wanted to point out some of the little touches here. You've got lighting coming down the stairs, and then of course same fit and finish that you would see upstairs. Large white base trim. And as you come into kind of the grand full basement here, it is a true daylight walkout basement. Again, staying with that lots of light in this house theme. But you've got access to the lower deck here, and then out, of course, to the garden area and patio area, but nice to be able to access that from here. Again, we got a full rock accented fireplace. Then you've got a saw cut mantle here as well that I like. And again, the gas heat to supplement the gas forced air furnace. And then one of the things I like about the basement is you got a full wet bar here to entertain. You got water, dishwasher, place to store cold drinks as well if you're looking for a drink or soda. But just a nice setup again to entertain guests and friends here in the basement. A couple other rooms I wanted to feature here as we walk through. You've got a nice storage room with cedar lined planking. Awesome smell in here, but again, no lack of storage on this house. And then as we come down here, we've got a wine cellar room here that stays chilled to be able to store your drinks and wine, or even you got food storage here. You can definitely feel the temperature drop as you come in, but naturally stays cool. Don't have to do anything. One of the nice things about basements here in the Northwest. So a nice feature there. The other room here I wanted to show you is the kind of hobby room. So again, just a ton of space in this home. But we've got the hobby room in here. It could be craft room, gun loading room, fishing room like it's got set up now. And then one of the cool things here is we've got a full walk-in vaulted safe to keep your gold, jewelry, firearms, but it's all concrete inside. And again, nice feature to have here, especially in the Northwest. As we head into the rest of the basement here, again, we have a couple more bedrooms down on this south end here. Just like upstairs, you got tall ceilings, nice Santa Fe finished doors. You can feel the craftsman workmanship and all the trim in the doors in this house. Big bedroom, and then another Jack and Jill access type bath. Same finishes throughout, much like the upstairs. And then another big bedroom here with large windows and a couple windows here to let that light in for the basement. I wanted to show you the other section of the basement here, and we'll get to that right now. Okay, I'm going to take you on over to the north wing of the basement here. And as I said, we've got another room in here. An exercise room is what it's set up for right now. No closet, so technically not a basement, or excuse me, a bedroom, but again, a nice big room got set up for surround sound. And again, we love this house, why we want to showcase it. It's a lot of home for the money. And believe it or not, there's a couple unfinished rooms that could be expanded to bedrooms 6 and 7, or a family rec room, and another bathroom if needed. I want to show you those real quick here. But or just a big storage space, how they're using it now. But again, could have another bedroom set up finished in here. And then as we move over this direction, well, another bathroom as well. And then again, if you needed that other bedroom, you've got the space for it. It's all studded in, insulated. You got wiring in, so pretty easy finish to get this house totally finished. But as it sits, about 80% of the basement is finished. So again, if you just use it as storage, I think you'd be fine too. So again, big house for the money, and an awesome basement with the daylight setup. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. One of the things we wanted to focus on this house was the back rear lot. Again, huge lot, got lots of nice natural finishes with the pine trees, and again, the concrete edging, all the landscaping's in, rock finishes on all the landings. One of the neat things about this house is you've got 2 deck areas to entertain family and clients, or just have fun out here on the summer evenings in Spokane, North Idaho. Of course, it's got composite decking, so shouldn't have to touch that for forever. Hopefully, it's a long-lasting product. Again, the house has got the hardy board siding on there, so another cement product that lasts quite a while. But again, great areas to entertain guests. You've got wired surround sound here, of course, on both decks to take advantage of. And then you can kind of see, what I like is you're close to town, but it kind of feels like you're in the forest. You just got all this natural landscape back here, garden area there, and then of course we've got kind of the keynote piece to the backyard is patio I wanted to show you. Got a large storage shed as well for lawnmowers, garden tools, and things of that nature. And then again, just a lot of rock finishes, as you can kind of see as we walk through here the backyard. But again, here's kind of the nice patio area that you can enjoy in the summer evenings, where you know, you're not getting beat down by the sun here in the northwest. But again, you got pavers finished everywhere and a nice patio set up to kind of enjoy things here out with your family. Again, hope you enjoyed the video. Please, again, hit us up with a like and subscribe on the channel. It helps us. And again, we're standing here ready to help you, our team, and experience and skills. We've been doing this a long time, and we want to be your realtor. So again, until we see you again, hope to show you around town.